tonight, even though people still live there, a judge just granted the city of Flint permission to move forward with cutting off the electricity to the now condemned Richfield Court Apartments that's on the city's east side. The judge says the city can shut down this complex if the current owners fail to step up. Mid-Michigan Now's Bria Jones gives us a first-hand look at what many people are calling appalling living conditions.
That's why I got rats and ropes.
Showing the inside of a trashed apartment across the hall from his Richfield Court unit, 67-year-old Lee, who didn't want to share his last name in fear of retaliation, says looking at the mess he's called home for years breaks his heart.
If y'all wasn't here, I'd cry right now because I have worked all my life to have what I got. All of a sudden, I lose it in a heartbeat.
Wednesday, a circuit court judge issued this injunction, ordering the current owner of the complex, who also owns the condemned Sunset Village apartments, to repair and secure the property. Altea Kingsley and her husband Willie moved their family with the help of Catholic Charities once the complex was condemned in February. The two say they worked in the apartment office, and while they weren't always paid, they don't blame the owner for the unlivable conditions.
You can't judge a book by its cover, because some of the apartments, like our apartments that we lived in, are nice. Then some of them are messed up. It's not that the owner didn't want to fix it, because he did. It's because of the tenants.
At night, the family says things get violent.
At night, you'll get a lot of cars, a lot of meth cooking, a lot of crack selling, prostitution, shooting, robbing.
It scares me that people come here every night and that we don't feel safe here.
With a judge granting the city permission to shut down the complex and board the doors, if the owners don't step up, the family says it may be necessary to go ahead and tear it down.
If the owner's not going to handle their business, then the city need to go ahead and get going.
In Flint, Bria Jones, Mid-Michigan Now.
Last week, the United Way told us there were still 34 people living at the Richfield Court Apartments. Of those, they say they were working with 21 of them to find new housing still, but they say 13 of them have refused help from the United Way. Since February, though, 73 others have been placed already in new homes with help from the United Way of Genesee County.